Right now we are going to go to a few shops to look for body kits for my car. What the f is this? We are giving this car to get wrapped. Oh my god! It's amazing.
He's pulling away! Come on, AJ! AJ, come on, catch him! I'm doing 200! AJ, no!
Turns out we are not going to the track right now. Yeah, so this thing over here decided to die at the worst time possible. So I've been driving a BMW F10 520D for the past 3 years now. It has 176,000 kilometers on the dash. So far, it's been one of the most reliable BMWs I could have ever had.
Hey guys, if they don't open the trunk right, I'm going inside. If they don't open, call the police, okay?
It's a dead car, right?
Today, I'm selling what was one day my dream car. Just walk back home.
And you walking back home?
Yes!
Bye, have a good time.
She wanna ride with me. Cause you know I get down, baby. She wanna ride with me. She wanna ride with me.
Yes! I love this car! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you with my new car. This is a 2012 BMW 328i.
On the dance floor, all the ladies like me. Make them fall in love and kiss the swag.
Let's go make my car look 10 times better.
You can keep the tag, cause I'm a stunner. Ain't no wonder why my folks be mad at me. She wanna ride with me.
On my way to Z Auto Service. Car that doesn't give you troubles is not a car, right? So we installed the new oil seal. This is the old one. My charge pipes broke the next day. Why do you ask? I don't know. We're gonna replace it with aluminum.
Home team, no L's, keep winning. Whoever wants smoke.
So this is the old spark plug. This is the new one. It's time to change this. If you look here, I can put 4 fingers inside.
She wanna ride with me, cause you know I get down, baby. She wanna ride with me.
So this is it. We dropped down quite a bit and only put 1 finger now.
Bro, you wanna go this low?
I blew my turbo.
I got a drivetrain as well. And
The drivetrain?
yeah.
Yes! Yes! This is the turbo now. It's been rebuilt. It's been sandblasted.
Make them fall in love and kiss the swag. Just to have my babies in a Fendi bag. No refund, you can keep.
So first of all, my charge pipe, I had to change it. My boost pipe, I had to be changed. Then my air intake was broken. I changed all of the hoses in the engine and I serviced the turbo and I still have a boost leak. What else is left? The diverter valve. All the dirt that came off is already gave it so much more shine. So I can't wait until we finish and get the actual like mineral gray out of it. I'm gonna attempt to live in my car for the next 24 hours.
Why are you eating like that?
Because I don't want to get food in the car.
No! No!
Have some fries.
Why am I even eating like this?
Swag, used to have my babies in a Fendi bag. No refund, you can keep the tag. Cause I'm a stunner, ain't no wonder why my phone be mad. Make it fall in love and kiss the swag. Used to have my babies in a Fendi bag. No refund, you can keep the tag. Cause I'm a stunner, ain't no wonder why my phone be mad.
Today we are gonna wrap the car. I have a crazy idea in mind.
What is this?
Bro, what have I done?
Make it fall in love and kiss the swag. Used to have my babies in a Fendi bag. No refund, you can keep the tag. Cause I'm a stunner, ain't no wonder why my phone be mad.
Me and my girlfriend are going to travel 400 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur to Penang Island and see who gets there faster and cheaper.
Hi. It passed us.
I totally won! Because I turned in first.
No.
How is this even possible? So we are in the middle of nowhere and I got an engine light saying I don't have enough oil.
That's what you get for driving so hard.
There is no screw in there, so maybe the screw had already been sitting here for almost 2 hours. The whole ATV plans are cancelled.